On most Android devices, the Developer Options menu is hidden by default. The Developer Options that lets you configure system behaviors that help you profile and debug your app performance. For example, you can enable debugging over USB, capture a bug report, enable visual feedback for taps, flash window surfaces when they update, use the GPU for 2D graphics rendering, and more. For more information on what each of the developer options does, please visit the official Android developer site. To unhide the Developer Options menu, go to Settings, then tap About Device or About Phone. Scroll down, then tap Build Number 7 times. Depending on your device and operating system, you may need to tap Software Information, then tap Build Number 7 times. Enter your pattern, PIN or password to enable the Developer Options menu. The Developer Options menu will now appear in your Settings menu. Depending on your device, it may appear under Settings, General, Developer Options. To disable the Developer Options menu, tap the switch.